If you've been seeing the Pandy AI soft Plush Panda pop up in ads and social media, you're probably curious whether this next-generation stress relief companion is actually worth buying or just another product using buzzwords to lure people in. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. The Plush is marketed as soft-weighted and powered by something they call Cuddle Motion AI technology, which supposedly mimics the warmth and gentle movements of a real hug to help you feel calm and emotionally connected. On the surface, that sounds like the perfect comfort gadget for people dealing with stress, anxiety, or even loneliness, but once you dig deeper, things start to look less impressive and more concerning. The company gives no real explanation of how this AI is supposed to function. There are no clear demonstrations of movement, no video showing the plush in action, and no technical details about what's inside the toy. Even basic information like how its power batteries, rechargeable system, or otherwise is missing from their site, which is unusual for a product claiming to use technology. Instead, what you do see are lots of marketing tricks like fake urgency timers, bold limited stock claims, and dramatic emotional pitches designed to push you into buying without thinking. On top of that, the product images themselves look suspiciously AI-generated rather than being real-life photos of the plush, and the so-called customer reviews all read like they've been copy-pasted with the same style and wording, which makes them feel less than genuine. None of this necessarily proves the plush is fake or a total scam, but it definitely raises enough red flags to make buyers cautious. Because if a product is really as good as they say, there should be no reason to hide the details or rely so heavily on exaggerated marketing. So, while the idea of a calming, AI-powered cuddle companion sounds fantastic, it's important to take a step back and ask whether this product actually delivers on that promise, or if it's just another example of a company using hype to cash in on a trend. If you're still interested and want to see more for yourself, I've tagged the product link in this video, but I'd recommend doing your own research and reading real feedback before making a final decision.